Daily SDRT. Subscribe now.
Subscribe now.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we'll be talking about NBA YoungBoy. So we got the latest update about what's going on with him and his case. Lawyer for Workers updated us, and he was actually at the court today in person. So this is what he had to say.
And we got the NBA YoungBoy update. Today was the second day in the hearing on his motion to suppress. Minutes before the hearing started at 1 p.m. today, Louisiana time, the government filed an emergency motion concerning YoungBoy's appeal for a bond. What the government is arguing is that this person in Utah who testified that she's known YoungBoy since he was 11 years old, that she has previously, during difficult times in his life, had him come to Utah, provided him a support system and a safe place where he could be away from all the violence, all the dangers in his life. They're saying that, yeah, all that might be true, but something else is true, which is that YoungBoy's businesses have transferred over $500,000 to this person in just the past couple of months. And so the government then tries to argue to the judge that this is evidence that this guy is essentially just like some rich dude trying to buy himself a bond, and that the person in Utah can't be trusted because she's just in it for the money. This is a hella weak argument for a number of reasons. First off, under the federal law, the law is you get a bond if we can put a set of conditions in place that's going to ensure that you come back to court, and that's going to ensure that you're not a danger to society. In this case, the fact that he's paying $20,000 a week to private security to monitor him, the fact that he might have paid $500,000 to someone in Utah to put up together a support system in a place where he can stay, all that, in fact, it strengthens his case for a bond, because that money is ensuring a set of conditions that is going to make sure that he comes back to court, and it's going to make sure that people and the society is protected from him. Huge. I would say that there's already enough there for the judge to rule in YoungBoy's favor. She could also rule against him, but look, in a case like this where you're trying to get all the evidence thrown against you, all you can really fight for is a chance, and right now he's got a chance. See what happens Friday. We'll have a better sense of his chances at that point. I don't expect any decision on the motion to suppress anytime soon, given the amount of evidence and testimony there is. Hopefully a decision on the bail will be coming up by Friday or very shortly after that.
So that's what Lawyer for Workers had to say. He actually had more stuff to say, so if you guys want to go check it out, it's on his Instagram, Lawyer for Workers. He talked about how how they illegally arrested YoungBoy. They was illegally searching vehicles, stuff like that. We already know that information, so I didn't want to bring it back to you guys. But that was brought up in court today. But also, the points that he pointed out in the video, YoungBoy has a childhood friend, and this childhood friend appeared in court, and they was basically trying to say how they will take care of YoungBoy, keep him out of trouble, and he'll be good with them. But it turns out how YoungBoy actually been paying this person $600K, stuff like that. So now the prosecutors and judges like, why is he paying you that amount of money? Now they're thinking that YoungBoy's just paying them to say these things just so he can get a bond. So comment down below your thoughts on that. And then he also brought up the point how in the last clip he said YoungBoy does have a chance. He said how the judge could actually rule in his favor based off all the information there is right now. But he also said how the judge could rule against him. So really it's just up to the judge. There's clear enough information about what's really happened, how his rights was violated. But comment down below your thoughts. How are you guys feeling? And yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on post notifications. Thanks for watching.